Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Netflix, Adobe, and MicroStrategy price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna start with Netflix here on the all-time history where we have 1, 2, and we're looking at another 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Finished wave 3 in the yellow scenario. Wave 4 very sharp, given of course, and understandable as alternation here within the time, of course, of a wave 2. And then we're looking currently for a wave 5 towards the upside. This wave 5 has to unfold, of course, as an impulse, and it has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 as well. Currently, we are working on the wave 4, and we are looking for wave 5 to unfold, of course, towards higher prices. If we dive inside it on the daily here, we are looking at this wave 4 that it has hit perfectly, of course, the fib level and the blue zone between the 110 and the 96K. So far, and we're still looking, of course, for a signal of strength here to unfold for higher prices. Now, if we dive in the 4 hours chart, we would like to finish this structure, of course, as a correction, as you can see as a wave A. Wave B finish, you're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Potentially finished here, structure as ending a diagonal, of course, where you have zigzag for wave 1, correction for wave 2, potential zigzag again, a very short wave C for wave 3, and then correction, and final zigzag for wave 5. Hitting over there. Now, as a precision, of course, if we would like to have a precision target here for a wave 5, probably, of course, it can be the following as a diagonal wave 5. Well, you already hit it, guys. We have already hit the precise target for a wave 5 as well, and we might still be potentially 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 can be possible. I'm gonna dive in the 1 hour here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I think this is finished, guys. Okay, so we're done. We're finished. It's a precision here hit, and we are looking at a reaction, which it might be, of course, a very impulsive here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and definitely it's gonna be because this is corrective. We push for higher, meaning the fifth wave is on the way, meaning unfolding something as a wave A or a wave 1, very likely 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the upside. Okay, so confirmation will be given, of course, 3 ways down. After taking this high, we confirm, of course, something very, very bullish for Netflix. All right, that was it for Netflix. Let's move for the next one, which is Adobe. We're gonna start also on the all-time history here for Adobe, and we are currently in the following count. We have 1, 2, 1, 2, and we're looking at a wave 3 to unfold toward the upside here. This wave 3 is still, of course, investigating a wave 4 there. And of course, this wave 4 has 2 possibilities. One of them is triangle, ABCDE, you push for higher, or you are in an ABC flat, taking the 1-to-1 fib level, and then getting a wave 5 toward the upside. So in case you are in 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, I'm looking, of course, for this target, 1,700 and 1,200 and around it, guys. If we move inside it as well on the daily here, we can see clearly that this triangle is still unfolding. We have, of course, the 1-to-1 fib level probably to be hit. The invalidation of triangle is simply taking the low. And of course, here the possibility is because you are in a zigzags, it is very, very likely that we are, of course, in triangle there. Unless, of course, it can be also the regular flat, 3 ways down, 3 ways up, 1, 2, 3, probably here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. As you can see, no invalidation has been given, so it can be, of course, very clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Meaning, this wave 5 can drop a little bit lower here as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to hit perfectly the wave C as 1,243. I don't see yet any signal of strength from a wave C here to be done and finished. Therefore, yes, be careful. It can be the impulse unfolding here as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing wave C and pushing for higher for Adobe. Another possibility as well can be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even, of course, a diagonal, don't forget, and simply taking the low, not taking exactly the target, and then moving toward the upside. So we gotta be careful, of course, also in this case, that it doesn't reach, of course, the target, simply taking the low and start to bound for something higher. That was it for Adobe. Let's move for MicroStrategy, and MicroStrategy on the all-time history. We are in a 1-2, another 1 and a 2 given, and another 1-2-3. Wave 4 is unfolding toward the upside. Now, because of course we did not take the invalidation of the bullish here in a 1-2-3, of course 1-2-3-4-5 for a wave 3 finished, wave 4, and you're looking for a wave 5 that it might unfold something for higher, meaning once you finish there, your wave 5, it might represent your wave 3 here in the white scenario, 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, continuation toward the upside. Another possibility here is of course the W, the X, and the Y, where you have of course a zigzag here. This zigzag is represented of course with this impulse, and we are impulsive therefore toward the downside in a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, of course, for lower prices. If we dive inside it a little bit here, also on the 4 hours chart, we can see clearly as well that this is a very strong trend moving toward the downside. Now, we were investigating a triangle. Well, obviously it has failed. Therefore, we are left with the double 1-2s here, wave 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 towards lower prices. Now, if I want to make this count looks okay better, so wave 3, 1, 2, 3, okay. We gotta be careful, even the wave 3 here is not yet finished, because you have already a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ABC potentially here. ABC as a running flat can be, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. This wave 5 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, no, it can be finished, yes. All right, so it is finished, but you're still looking for 4 and a 5. Don't forget, of course, that this might be the situation. And anyway, right now the crypto market is bounding or pushing a little bit higher, and of course also Bitcoin is pushing a little bit higher. So very likely that you might reach, of course, a wave 4 inside this blue box here between the 212 and 195. And you need a little bit time here, because of course if this is a wave 2 playing there, you need a little bit more time. As a fifth time taken, of course, from this wave 2, you're looking at a wave 4 to range exactly in this area here. Okay, so inside this blue box. So yeah, it might need a time a little bit, of course, until it finishes this wave 4 and probably continue the drop here for lower prices. Yep, so that was it also for MicroStrategy. Okay, trade safe, guys. That was it for Adobe and MicroStrategy and Netflix. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.